Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, this time I want to talk about Offshore Maritime Offering. What is the church art? The church art is slogans and apologies maritime groups to support the compensation they need for the extent of their injury. Before the church art was passed in the maritime gross injury being effective accident was not able to bonus the full amount of compensation that they need for their injury. With the church arch, cross the recovery plans for as medical bills, workload and corpse care and more. What is maintenance and car maintenance and car disclose the cost of life in maintenance and the medical advice curve that also offer browseness after an accident. Unsafe customer and rules of shipping. For example, because maritime law is requires vessel owner to ensure that injury works receive maintenance and score after sustaining an injury. What are common causes of maritime injury? Common causes of maritime injury are accident that have been prevented is were not importantly is the duty of vessel owner and employee to prevent this accident and protect trust. Hunting injury are often caused by dangerous of this condition topics toxic explosion and fire explosion with vessel, sailing in dangerous condition, less of safety training, and cause fish, finding object, machinery failures, and slip and fall. Solve is the after maritime accident. There are five things you should do after maritime accident. Get the medical attention you need from your employee about your injury. Complete all information about your accident also. It and the instrument surrounding it. Do not see any document, answer any question or give any statement. And maritime lawyer. You should always speak with a lawyer after a maritime accident to make you sure so your rights to being protected. A lawyer will listen to your story ask you ask questions and have you discuss what your actions are under the no cost. A consultation with our maritime lawyers in the free of will help people in the Texas, Louisiana, and as well the national recover after all types of oversold accidents. What type of compensation do I qualify for after my officer injury? This depends on the what type of the job are you performing during your injury and the law before it. Some roles will be essential to compensation under the last age will others might. Qualify for recovery with the long term of the hardware gross compensation age. Defining what gross quality for in assistance from the law is not always simple as speaking with our officer. Injury layer during the pre-consultation is the way to discover your option. But I cannot offer a maritime attorney. The right maritime law freedom will help you afford the service. Injury maritime bros are often facing difficult financial issues and need to have special financial arrangement had with their maritime lawyers. For example, on road and eating LP, works as contingency privileges meaning we cover all costs of a vehicles on the dollar called payment unless you win. Besides taking on the financial burden of focus free on the education cost or premium has helped, our clients the medical care that need ancestral profits. What are the difference between maritime law and the ordinary law? In many ways, there is a little difference between how maritime law is handled and how ordinary law is handled. However, some meaningful differences exist, but the difference exists more so in the courts rather than the substantial law itself. For example, there is no right to the injury, although the hospital action is brought under legal. Important to remember though the only case of the most people in federal admiralty court is cost reporting in Martin Lane. First on a preventive mortgage limitation of the vessel over liability, and any proceeding where the ship itself is being sued. Is maritime law the same as the law of the sea? Maritime law is not the sum of the law of the sea. Maritime law is United States law. The government accident in navigation waters. The law is the sea. Is the primarily based on the international entities and agreement when govern how national interests with war other on majestic flock in the mixed area sea. For example, the law of the sea governs companies to raise discussion over conservators ownership of natural resources and navigation. What a maritime layer do? Maritime layer the scars of marine fishes, several counter outbreaks and hurricanes. Because of the trans law providing into the other contract disputes pertaining into shopping are actively available waters as per maritime attorney and critical to bringing a successful claim. A maritime lawyer must understand federal law, state law and the explosion of marine insurance and money order shipping and overseas shipping industry. Specifically, this is healthy company will of law making it crucial to employ experienced maritime lawyers. Has maritime law been complete? The most important application of maritime law may be the water horizon disaster, where 11 crew members were killed and many more injured. A federal dispute, among other things, the environmental legislation was present because the legislators expound upon the clear waters of the Gulf of Mexico and the other additional surplus condition was present because of the conservation authors in the concept the exploration of the production of the mineral in the continental where acting in her role Annie and through elements was the conservative perspective maritime law. The Texas maritime law can help and rural and taking the hafting onto the home maritime easily onto the only Gulf of Mexico, but also in the inland waterways and around the globe. For this reason, we remain fully commissioned to help the injury works and their family cover bills computation. We believe what we learned about more than just money, the world position to see that our clients were offered not only financially, but physically, emotionally, and mentally. Over time, is this also helping people and the family who have suffered from life-changing injury cover lives compensation we need the first current and the versus cost. Okay guys, this is first discussion about Houston Maritime Attorney. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you next time.